everyone, welcome back to the Jyotish Mission to Explore the World. I am Preetham from 6th Standard Jyoti High School, Jagitial. This is my glory to be a proud part of the Jyotish Mission to Explore the World. Today, I like to tell about Tirumala Tirupati. Tirumala Tirupati is the Devasthana of Sri Venkateswara Swami. From Tirupati, 10 kilometers distance, Tiruchanurpalli is located. In Tiruchanurpalli, Sri Padmavati Devi is situated. Padmavati Devi is the wife of Sri Venkateswara Swami, and Tirupati is surrounded by greenery and 7 hills. 7 hills looks like the Sri Venkateswara Swami's face, and it is the second richest temple in the world. It is popular destination. Thank you. I will be back with an amazing topic to Jyotish Mission to Explore the World.
Thank you giving this opportunity, my child.